Get ready for the ultimate power trip. The 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor has arrived, and it's packing an engine so potent it's set to shatter expectations. This isn't just a truck, it's a force of nature. With a massively boosted engine cranking out jaw-dropping horsepower, every drive becomes a heart-pounding adventure. Imagine a truck that not only conquers rugged terrains but also leaves sports cars in its dust, and that's just the start. Stick around for a jaw-dropping revelation about this powerhouse engine you won't see coming. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. The 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor is one of Ford's latest high-performance models. Its eye-catching design is unmistakable, sporty, powerful, and built for adventure. A bold front grille showcasing the Ford logo, high-mounted headlights, and wide fender flares signal its off-road prowess, while durable underbody protection keeps it safe on even the roughest trails. At the rear, a large Raptor logo and sleek LED taillights complete its modern, aggressive look. Inside, the Ranger Raptor matches its exterior in style and technology. The cabin, crafted with premium materials, offers sports seats that deliver maximum comfort. The dashboard is packed with advanced navigation and entertainment systems, fully supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A leather-wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional buttons, a large LCD screen, and a digital instrument cluster ensure the driver enjoys ultimate control and customization. Under the hood, the Extreme Edition of the 2025 Ranger Raptor boasts a heavily modified 3.0-liter EcoBoost Defies 6 engine, delivering an astonishing 800 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. This powerhouse engine makes it an exceptional choice for off-road enthusiasts and performance seekers alike. The 10-speed automatic transmission ensures outstanding performance, whether on highways or in challenging terrains. Ford's performance-tuned suspension offers unparalleled stability and comfort even at high speeds. With an electronic differential lock and specialized drive modes, the Ranger Raptor is designed to conquer the most demanding trails effortlessly. The 2025 Ranger Raptor is expected to officially launch in late 2024, with sales beginning early in 2025, depending on Ford's market strategy. With its extraordinary power, the Extreme Edition will come with a premium price tag estimated between $80,000 and $90,000 in the U.S. This price reflects the truck's unmatched performance and exclusivity,